Hi everyone, welcome to Mifratech. This project name is Search and Rescue Robot. This consists of pick and place module, camera module, 360 degree movements and night vision camera. More components are IR sensor, Bluetooth, HC05, driver circuits and converters, DC to DC converters. Movement for DC motors. We'll see the working of this. So movements will be forward movements, backward movements, left, right, so this is an app we have developed for controlling robotic movements and all. So the temperature and humidity also you can monitor here. Temperature is 26 degree and humidity 68 percentage. So the pick and holder. So closing, so opening the teeth, by making movement you can do even up and down. Thank you so much for watching this demo. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Mifratech eLearning. Watch for the next new updates. Thanks.